Hi everyone, welcome back here in this new video tutorial. Here we are going to learn how to use the COUNTIF and COUNTIFS function in Microsoft Excel. By taking the help of these two examples, I will explain how to use these functions. First of all, let's look into the COUNTIF. The COUNTIF function is used for counting the number of cells that meets a single condition. In this example, I have the day-wise total sales target and achievement of Mr. A in the month of March 2024. In this column, the percentage achieved is calculated. Here my requirement is to count in how many days Mr. A achieved 100% of the target. So here the condition is 100% and more. I need to count the number of sales that has 100% and more here in this achievement percentage column. So in this case the formula here will be press equal to, then type COUNTIF function. Here you see the description of the COUNTIF function is given. It counts the number of cells within a range that meets the given condition. It means in case of COUNTIF we have only one condition, that is this 100% and more. So here open the bracket. In the range we have to select this percentage achieved range of the source table, then give a comma. In the criteria we have to provide the condition, that is 100% and more. So here type double quotation, type the greater than symbol, equal to symbol together, then type 100 percentage. Now type double quotation again, close the bracket, press enter, and here it has counted in 11 cell there is 100% and more achievement percentage. So we know that Mr. A achieved 100% or more of his target in 11 days in the whole month. Now let's go to the second example where I have one extra column in the data, that is the town. In this case I have multiple conditions to count the cell. The first condition is the achievement percentage and second condition is town. Here I need to calculate in how many days Mr. A achieved 100% of target in town A. So here condition is more than 1. In this case we have to use this COUNTIFS function. So here in this cell press equal to, then type the COUNTIFS function, open bracket. In the criteria range 1, select this percent achieved range of the source table this way, then give a comma. Then here in the criteria 1 we have to give the first condition, that is 100% and more, that is given by double quotation, greater than equal to 100%, double quotation close, then give a comma. In the criteria range 2 we have to select the town range of the source table. So here select the town name range, then give a comma. In the criteria 2 we have to define the second condition or criteria, that is town A. So here type double quotation, town A, double quotation close, bracket close. Now the formula is complete, press enter, and here you see it has counted that in 5 days Mr. A achieved 100% and more of the target in town A. So this is all about the process of using the COUNTIF and COUNTIFS function in Microsoft Excel. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, I request you to subscribe and also turn on all the notifications so that you will get similar kind of video updates in future. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will again meet on next video tutorial.